Worried about car theft? You should be. Theft is skyrocketing, and a Bluetooth tag with a 40-foot radius isn't going to save your vehicle. Once your car is gone, it's gone. And without a real car GPS tracker, police can't chase what you can't locate. GPS and Track gives you real protection, true satellite GPS tracking, real-time location, and coverage anywhere your car goes. Choose what fits your setup. Hardwired units for permanent hidden installs, OBDII plug-in trackers for quick setups, rechargeable options with flexible placement, starter disable systems to shut the engine down in a theft situation. Every device includes real-time tracking, backup batteries, tamper alerts, geofencing, and an easy-to-use mobile app. With no monthly fees and no contracts, it is the ideal GPS tracker for car protection. But the biggest advantage? You get us. GPS and Track has your back with outstanding client service. We personally make sure your account is set up exactly the way you want it. Alerts, perimeters, everything. You're not just buying hardware, you're getting a team that stands behind you long after installation. If you want real protection, not a toy tracker, GPS and Track makes it simple. Install it once, monitor it forever. Visit gpsandtrack.com and protect your vehicle today.